Okay, so here are our friends. Here's the valley that we look out at. And you can hear the fighter jets. I think they're gonna come back.
They're right there. In the
Oh,
sky.
they're in the sky way out there. You can't see them probably, but they're on the horizon. Oh my God, they're probably gonna come back. They are so loud.
Looks like they're coming back.
It does look like they're coming
Like
back.
this one.
Okay. Oh yeah, here it comes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Holy crap. Okay. They don't seem very phased. Nor does Arya. Holy crap.